Are you a musician struggling to grow on YouTube? What if I told you that some artists are making $1,000 a month on autopilot just by using AI tools you probably haven't even heard of? In this video, I'll show you exactly how they're doing it and how you can too. Let's go. Hey, welcome to AI Music Hustle, the channel where we help musicians, producers, and creators monetize their music using AI. If you've ever uploaded a track to YouTube and gotten nothing but crickets, you're not alone. But here's the good news. AI is changing the game. And some smart creators are now stacking income with music videos, shorts, and content they barely had to touch. Here's the exact strategy they're using to hit a steady $1,000 per month. 1. Create music with AI. Step 1. You need music, but not hours of studio time. AI tools like Amper Music, Soundful, or Boomy can help you generate royalty-free tracks in minutes. If you're a more advanced producer, check out WavTool or Orb Composer. They help speed up your composing with smart suggestions and generative features. The goal? Create more music faster without burning out. 2. Repurpose into 30-plus videos. Now here's where it gets powerful. Instead of uploading one video and hoping for the best, use AI to repurpose one track into a ton of content. Tools like Pictory, InVideo, and Runway ML let you turn a single song into lyric videos, visualizer loops, YouTube shorts, lo-fi chill background videos, study or sleep music playlists. You can even narrate beat breakdowns using Descript or 11 Labs for AI-generated voiceovers. Basically, one track is equal to 30-plus pieces of content, and more content is equal to more chances to earn. 3. Grow with AI SEO tools. Here's a secret weapon most musicians overlook: YouTube SEO. With tools like vidIQ and TubeBuddy, you can find low-competition keywords, trending tags, and even AI-generated video titles that help your videos rank. Use them to optimize every upload, from thumbnails to descriptions, and get your music in front of the right audience without spending on ads. Even Canva now has AI tools for making killer thumbnails in seconds. 4. Monetize smart. Okay, so you've got content. Now how do you make money? Here are 3 simple streams. 1. YouTube ad revenue. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can earn money directly from YouTube. Even chill beat videos can earn between $1 to $3 per 1,000 views. 2. Content ID and royalties. Use services like Identify, Ahrefs, or TuneCore to collect when people use your music in their own content. 3. Digital products. Sell your beats, loops, or stems on Gumroad, Koji, or even link to your Spotify and Bandcamp from your video descriptions. Some creators offer sample packs or paid tutorials as well. Stacking these streams is how creators hit that magic $1,000 per month, sometimes without even showing their face. So can AI really help musicians make $1,000 a month on YouTube? Yes, but only if you treat your music like a system, not a side hustle. Create consistently. Use AI to repurpose and promote. And stack your income with smart monetization. If you got value from this, hit subscribe and tap the bell, because I'm dropping new videos every week on how to turn your music into money with AI. Want a full walkthrough of the tools I mentioned today? Drop a comment and let me know. Until next time, keep creating and keep hustling.